Neuron Project by Erica Lee. Neurons are a nerve cell. They are made up of different parts, which we will learn about in this video. They are the basic building blocks of the nervous system in our bodies. Dendrites are the bushy branch-like extensions that come off of the body of the nerve cell. They receive messages and send those messages out to the other parts of the nervous system. They are like the mailman who takes letters and delivers them out to everyone. Axons are the neuron extension that connects one nerve cell to the receiving party. They act like the road that the mailman takes to get his mail and packages to everyone. Axons are covered by the myelin sheath. The myelin sheath is a fatty tissue that protects and encases the axons of some neurons. The myelin sheath is like a mail truck for the mailman. It helps the packages get from one place to another faster. Look at that mail truck go. Threshold and action potential. Threshold is the level of stimulation required to trigger a neural impulse. When you hit a target on a carnival game and hit it hard enough, it causes the bell to ring. Enough strength and you can make the level rise and be able to win. Action potential is the result of being able to hit the target hard enough. It causes the bell to ring, or in the case of the neuron, it causes a reaction of electrical charge that travels down the axon. We know the parts of a neuron, but what do these parts do? If we attach two neurons together, what happens? When one neuron attaches to another neuron, they do so by the axon. When the axon is attached, they don't fully attach to each other. There is a small gap which is called the synapse. This is where the transfer from the mailman with his letter to the mailbox happens. Neurotransmitters, which are chemical messengers that cross the synaptic gap between the neurons, take the package from the mailman, the axon, and deliver it to the connected neuron. Reuptake. What if there's too much or not enough from the package delivered? We return it. The mailman, the axon, takes back the neurotransmitters with whatever package was being delivered. ACH is a chemical that enables muscle action, learning, and memory. This is one type of package that can be delivered from one neuron to another. Endorphins are natural drug-like neurotransmitters linked to pain control and pleasure in our brains. The endocrine system. This system talks to our nervous system and acts like a second-in-command that is all controlled by our brains. The parts of the endocrine system are the hypothalamus, the brain region controlling the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland secretes many different hormones, some of which affect other glands. The thyroid gland affects metabolism. The parathyroids help regulate the level of calcium in the blood. The adrenal glands, inner part, helps trigger the fight or flight response. The pancreas regulates the level of sugar in the blood. The testes secrete the male sex hormones, and the ovaries which secrete the female sex hormones. Hormones are different for male and female. They influence our interest in sex, food, and aggression. You just learned the parts and inner workings of a neuron in the nervous system and the endocrine system. Thanks for watching.